Dr. Singh is almost like part of my family. He's performed my dad's open heart surgery, my husband's grandfather's open heart surgery, and when people find out I had open heart surgery, one of their first questions is where was it done and who did it? And as soon as I mentioned Dr. Singh, somebody knows of him who did somebody else's surgery, and they just all said he's the greatest, that if you're gonna have an open heart surgery, he's the man to do it.
Laura was born with a very complex heart disease, which we call a tetralogy. That means there's not enough blood going to her lungs. She was a blue baby.
I met Dr. Singh in 1977. I was 6 years old. That's when I had my first surgery. I had a follow-up surgery in 1982, and I was 11. And then a third surgery in 2006, I was 35. And my fourth surgery in 2011, I was 40 years old.
Over the years, Arun has not only done a wonderful job, but he's been a very prolific surgeon, and he's done a very large number of cases, to the point that his name became synonymous with quality surgery in Rhode Island. And there were referrals from virtually all over the state and outside the state to come to see Arun, to get his input, and to have him do the operations.
When I became a physician, it is a calling. It is our duty to offer the service to the people who need it. It doesn't matter which country they came from, the color, race, sex, and their background. We are not there to judge what they are, what they're doing. We're there to provide service. And if they have a problem, it is our duty, it's my duty, and it's a hospital responsibility to provide the best care they can.
Arun has received many accolades over the years. I remember in particular that when we started the Outstanding Physician Award named for Milton Homolsky, he was the unanimous choice to be the first recipient. Since then, he's received other awards, and it makes me very proud to have been part of his team over these years and to be able to work with someone as skilled and dedicated as he is.
My greatest achievement, if you ask me, would be my family. Without my wife, her commitment, she gave her career for me and raised the kids. Without her support, I would not have been able to do what I did. And I really love her. We've been married for 44 years.
My name is Cindy Santucci, and I've been working for Dr. Singh since 1977. I've got to know him, I've got to know his wife and 2 beautiful children, and now his grandchildren, and he speaks with such pride of them. He's just a regular person. He does not think of himself on a pedestal above other people. He's just such a special person.
People sometimes ask why I didn't go for a second opinion, and I just never felt I needed a second opinion. I trusted him 100%. He's always been upfront and honest with me about risks and what could happen, what can happen, but I just knew everything was going to be 100% fine going through this, and I'm still here.
When I received the phone call that I've been chosen to receive this honor, I was really touched. And I also thought about it. There are so many deserving people, more than I am, who have worked in this hospital and dedicated their time. But then I elected to receive this award on the behalf of the entire care provider or cardiac team, because without them, I would not be anybody. This is their dedication, and it's very important that we accept this award in their honor.
Dr. Singh is exactly the same as I remember him as a little girl. He's just never aged, he's never changed. He's still the same sweet, wonderful doctor he's always been to me, and I'm sure to all his other patients as well. And he's just an overall great guy. This is definitely deserved for him.